arrived and are now in the production line. Inspect the ingredients for any potential risk of contaminants. Here comes the first batch of ingredients. Do you notice any contaminant in the food? Use your handbook for any clues or information. There appears to be glass in the ingredient. What type of contaminant is this? Use your handbook for any clues or information. Correct. This is a physical hazard. Broken glass can cause cuts to the mouth, throat, or digestive tract. Even small fragments can lead to choking, internal injuries, or infections if ingested. Click Continue to proceed. The correct action is to immediately stop the production line, identify the source of the contamination, isolate the affected batch, and report the incident to your supervisor. Click the button to stop the line and locate the source. A gauge has broken and glass has fallen onto the ingredients during production. The gauge will need to be repaired before we can resume production. Click on the gauge to report the broken equipment. Let's continue down the line and inspect for any other potential contaminants that may have affected the food. Do you spot anything unusual? Use your mouse to find any other contaminant on the ingredient. There's an unusual sheen on the food that shouldn't be present. Upon closer inspection, the surface appears slightly oily. This may be lubricant contamination. What type of contaminant is this? Use your handbook for any clues or information. That's correct. This is a chemical hazard. Lubricant is considered a chemical hazard in food production because it is a non-food substance that can contaminate food and potentially pose health risks if ingested. Click Continue to proceed. An internal investigation reveals that a gearbox above the conveyor belt had a worn seal, causing a slow drip of lubricant onto the line. We need to immediately remove the affected batch from production. A root cause analysis will be conducted and maintenance will be carried out to replace the faulty seal. To prevent additional contamination, we must maintain the correct room temperature in the production area. If refrigerated incorrectly, what potential hazard may occur? Use your handbook for any clues or information. Correct. This is a biological hazard which may cause rapid growth of E. coli if present. This is considered a biological hazard in food safety because it is a pathogenic microorganism that can cause serious illness or even death if ingested through contaminated food or water. E. coli can be found in animal processing areas, and it must be controlled and eliminated. Click Continue to proceed. Use the dial to set the correct temperature to prevent rapid E. coli growth. Use your handbook for any clues or information. Types of contaminants. The three main types of contaminants in a processing facility are biological, chemical, and physical. Biological hazards. A biological hazard in food safety refers to harmful micro. Correct. To prevent rapid E. coli growth, refrigeration temperatures should be kept between 1 degree Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius, 33 degrees Fahrenheit,